Welcome to JTMS Timesheet Software. Let's quickly walk through the user dashboard and see how it helps you manage your work every day. At the top of the screen, you'll see the check-in and check-out buttons. When you start your workday, just click Check-in, and when your work is done, click Check-out. JTMS Timesheet Software automatically tracks your working time, and the clocked time shows how long you've been logged in for the day. Just below this, you'll see the selected week. You can move between weeks using the arrows on the screen. Here, JTMS Timesheet Software shows you your actual hours, the hours you've already worked, and your efficiency percentage. This gives you a quick idea of how your week is going. Next, let's look at the monthly effort tracker. This section shows your effort for each day of the month. You'll see the hours entered for each date. HL means a holiday. W/O means a weekly off. And 0 means no hours have been entered yet. At the bottom, JTMS Timesheet Software displays your total effort for the month so you can easily spot any missing entries. Below the tracker, you'll find some quick access options to make your work easier. From here, you can check the holiday list, open your planner, review your timesheets, see who your approver is, and also view any rejected entries that may need correction. Don't worry, we'll explore each of these features in detail a little later. Now let's talk about Timesheet Input. JTMS Timesheet Software gives you multiple ways to enter your time. You can use daily input to enter hours for a specific day. You can use weekly input to fill in your hours for the entire week at once. And then there's Planned Input. Planned Input helps you understand the work that has been planned for you by your approver or admin. This way, you clearly know what work is expected from you each day, and you can plan your time better. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll see a visual summary chart. This chart shows your total hours worked, the number of projects or jobs, and expenses if applicable. It helps you understand your workload at a glance. That's a quick overview of the user dashboard in JTMS Timesheet Software. It's designed to keep things simple, help you track time accurately, and manage your daily work with ease. Thank you for watching.